going to pick up 2 packages. It's super convenient because you just come and open the box. Here are the packages. One is from Koval, one is from Szmal. Which one first? Okay, because I have this one. That's the watercolor set by Szmal, which I got just like that. Thank you so much. There's so many colors inside. Let's see. Because the palette I've been using, it has a couple of years now, and maybe it is a time to actually replace it for a new one, a better one. We shall see, no? Quite heavy. It's more heavy than this one, definitely. Well, because it's metal. But it also has more colors and more space for mixing. Well, we're gonna paint something straight away. Those are replaceable. You can also put the brushes inside here. You can get this out as well, and you have even more space for mixing. Wow, that's a lot of space. It's a bit more heavy, and when I travel, the weight is super important. Still need to consider this, but it's way more pro than what I had before. There are way more colors. I like that they are big actually, because they're small ones. I have another one, the tiny one. I will show you. I will not show you because I cannot find it. Thank you so much, Roman. I'm gonna definitely use it as soon as possible. Now, another package. From what I know, the thing is not as big as the box. Looks like there's more than one thing. So, okay, 2 things, 2 boxes. Co my tu mamy? Zobacz, co my tu mamy. Ah, okay, samples of the papers to try out, because Tomasz Koval, he does handmade sketchbooks, and those are the trials of the papers. Can make a custom sketchbook for me. Yeah, I'm just gonna try them and see which one do I like most. Oh my god, there's so many. Should I try all of them? Oh my god, maybe not. That's a lot of papers to choose from. Okay, so paper samples, and this one is the actual product. Yes. Dziękuję bardzo, Tomasz. It means all the best in the new year. Have a great adventure and fruitful creations. Thank you so much. Well, the 2. Okay, I spoke about one, and that's the beautiful traveler sketchbook. Wow, 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 wow. And you know, it's the best is that it's really handmade. It's like all made by Tomek. This one is like a thick texture paper, which should be working very well with watercolor and gouache. The handmade certificate. So that's one sketchbook, and it will go with me on the next adventure already in February. Morgan, there's another one, right? It's 2 of them. That's a different paper. Okay, so one is more textured and one is more plain. Wow, thank you so much, both Tomasz and Roman. Thank you so much. Technically, with this and water and white gouache, well, and brushes. So basically this, because I have brushes here and some gouache tubes. This is everything I need for the painting and water, but that's it. So I shall make a painting. Thank you.